Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable internet speed indicator on Android devices. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for display brightness. Here it is. Click on it. Scroll down. Now you can see here status bar. Press on this. Here you can see show real-time network speed. If you want to enable internet speed indicator on your Android phone, you just have to turn on this button. Here you can see it. So this is how to enable internet speed indicator on Android device. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.